This flight name is T glider. They say this is like T letter me. Fold like this for it. And then cut it off. Now we have two of them. Now we'll take the first one. Now crease, then unfold. Then fold like this, like a triangle. Then now A complete. Now the second one. Crease that unfold like previous. Then fold it like a triangle again, like previous. B complete. Now we have A and B. Now let's insert it. Insert B into A. This. Close it. Turn it over. Then do like a triangle. Then unfold. Now this place, like this. Yes. Now the next one is to do like this. Now turn it at the back side. Okay, now like this. The same as the previous planes we do. Do the other side also. Then add some stickers if you want and if you have. Now we've got a plain sticker. Now we're sticking it right here like this. Now stick the sticker at the opposite. Stick this is like a sharp thing, right? Also, stick it right here. Same at the opposite. Same thing at the opposite. As I said.